Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to cover Kubernetes in 6 minutes. So whether you are a beginner or someone curious about Kubernetes, this video is for you. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of what Kubernetes is, why it's important and its core components. So let's dive into it. So first of all, what is Kubernetes? So Kubernetes is often called as K8s. Okay, that means the short form, like when you have the Kubernetes from the K to S, and in between we have 8 letters, so its short form we'll call it as a K8s. It's a open source platform, and it is designed to automate deploying, scaling and managing containerized applications. So it was originally developed by Google and now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. So think of it as like the operating system for your cloud infrastructure simply. So next is why Kubernetes is. So before Kubernetes, managing containers at scale was a challenge. So with Kubernetes, you can do three things: automate deployment and scaling, and ensure high availability, and also manage the resource efficiency. So it solves the problem of orchestration by helping you manage thousands of containers effortlessly. So now going to the core concepts of a Kubernetes are, let's quickly cover into the Kubernetes and what are the key components are. So first one is cluster, the foundation of Kubernetes, consisting of a master node and a worker node. And the second one is the pod, the smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes. Think of it as a wrapper around your container. And deployment, which helps you to define how to deploy your pods. It ensures the desired number of replicas are running. Service exposes your pods to the network, enabling communication inside and outside the cluster. So config maps and secrets. So it will manage your configuration and sensitive data securely. Ingress, it handles external HTTP, HTTPS access to your services. Volumes, it manages buses and storage for your pods. So these are the seven key components which will work together to make your application scalable and resilient. And now Kubernetes can scale up during peak traffic, automatically restart the failed instance, and route traffic to the healthy pod using a service. So when it comes into real world use cases, Kubernetes is used by companies like Google, Netflix, and Spotify to manage microservices, scale their app globally, and ensure 99.99% uptime. Whether it is e-commerce, media streaming, or financial services, Kubernetes is really a game changer. And as a quick summary, I just want to wrap it up this video. In a summary, Kubernetes is all about managing containers at a scale and automating deployment, scaling, and recovery, and providing a robust framework for modern app deployment. So it is a must learn tool for anyone in DevOps, cloud, or software development. So this is about the Kubernetes in 6 minutes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand Kubernetes, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. If you have any questions, please comment it, and see you in the next video. Bye.